Imagine waking up to commission notifications, a steady stream of income generated while you were asleep. That's the allure of passive income money earned with minimal active effort. It's about building systems that work for you even when you're not actively working. In a world where time is our most valuable asset, passive income offers a life of freedom and flexibility. Many people dream of escaping the 9-to-5 grind, but few find the path to financial independence. Affiliate marketing is a proven model that can turn that dream into reality. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about consistent effort, smart strategies, and leveraging the power of the internet. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or build a full-time online business, affiliate marketing provides a roadmap to financial freedom. With the right approach and dedication, you can create a sustainable income stream that allows you to live life on your terms. Affiliate marketing is simple. Recommend products or services you love and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the inventory, customer service, or shipping headaches. You're essentially connecting buyers with sellers and getting rewarded for facilitating the transaction. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, choose products that resonate with your audience, and promote them through your website, blog, social media, or email list. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's a win-win-win. The customer gets a product they need, the seller makes a sale, and you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its low barrier to entry. You don't need to create your own products, handle customer support, or invest in expensive inventory. All you need is a platform to share your recommendations and a passion for the products you promote. It's an ideal business model for anyone looking to earn passive income online. Skeptical? Don't be. Countless individuals have achieved financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Take Michelle, a stay-at-home mom who turned her passion for healthy living into a thriving online business. Through her blog and social media channels, she recommends organic food products and earns a comfortable income through affiliate commissions. Then there's John, a retired teacher who now travels the world, funding his adventures through his travel blog. He partners with airlines, hotels, and tour operators, earning commissions on every booking made through his affiliate link. These are just two examples of the many success stories in the world of affiliate marketing. These individuals have one thing in common. They found a niche they were passionate about, built an audience, and consistently provided value through their content. Their success is a testament to the power of affiliate marketing as a viable path to passive income. Section 4. Automating success. Work smarter, not harder. One of the keys to maximizing passive income with affiliate marketing is automation. By automating repetitive tasks, you can free up your time to focus on growing your business. Email marketing is a powerful tool for automation. Build an email list of subscribers interested in your niche and send regular newsletters featuring valuable content and affiliate product recommendations. Schedule these emails in advance to deliver automatically, even while you're away from your computer. Social media is another area ripe for automation. Utilize social media scheduling tools to plan and publish your posts in advance, ensuring a consistent online presence and maximizing your reach. By automating these tasks, you can create a system that generates passive income without requiring constant attention. Section 5. Long-term strategies for sustainable earnings. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, patience, and a long-term perspective. To build a sustainable income stream, focus on building a strong foundation for your business. Choose a niche you're passionate about, and build a website or blog that provides valuable content to your audience. Focus on building organic traffic through search engine optimization, or SEO, and engaging social media content. Treat your audience like gold. Provide honest reviews, valuable insights, and genuine recommendations. Building trust is crucial for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Remember, it's not just about making a quick buck. It's about building a loyal following that trusts your judgment and relies on your recommendations. By focusing on providing value and building relationships, you can create a sustainable affiliate marketing business that generates passive income for years to come.